Mari Extension Pack adds a variety of tools to Mari to help you manage and modify workspace layout and looks. The options can be found in the View menu and consist of tools to easily save and load workspaces, modify the default palette split, and manage viewport backgrounds. Let's quickly look at an addition from a previous extension pack version for completion before we tackle the new features. We see here this submenu called Docking Area, with several different options to choose from. The docking area determines how Mari prioritizes certain areas of the UI over others. If I open two palettes and dock each of them on one side of Mari's UI, you can see the palettes stretch top to bottom. If I open a third palette and dock it to the bottom of the interface, this third palette now stretches across the full width of the window. If I open yet another palette and dock it to the top, again that palette stretches to the full width as well. In the current docking option, I'm not able to stretch one of the palettes from the side to occupy the full height of the window again. This is determined by the docking area option horizontal, meaning that horizontal palettes get docking priority over vertical ones. If, however, I choose the vertical option, then the palettes on the sides get priority and stretch from top to bottom again, while the horizontal ones are left to fill the remaining space. The remaining options are then combinations of horizontal and vertical modes. So for example, split right will favor the vertical right side, while split bottom will only favor the horizontal palettes docked at the bottom. Customizing your viewport background color is usually done via the Display Properties option and setting your top and bottom viewport color. Extension Pack 6 adds some convenience presets to the View menu under the Background Theme option. We currently have 8 different presets available that have different uses depending on what subject or channel you work on. A major addition to the View menu in Extension Pack 6 is a new layout management system. While of course in the standard Mari without Extension Pack you can export and import layouts to and from disk, Extension Pack makes this a lot easier by not forcing you to go browse for your files. If instead of export layout, I choose the new Save New Layout option, I can directly save my current UI configuration as an easily accessible state. All my saved layouts are available in the Saved Layouts menu, which is global to all Mari versions. So you can jump to another Mari version and have your saved layouts available as well. The saving of layouts not only stores the general palette configuration and window size, but has been customized to also save the docking area setting, as well as the viewport maximize and full screen states, which is not standard to Mari's own export layout. To manage your saved layouts, open the Manage Saved Layouts option. In here you can also load layouts, rename and delete them, as well as export selections to disk. If you click on this little settings icon in the corner, you can specify where Extension Pack should store layouts by default, which is the same setting that also has been added to the Mari Preferences Path tab, but has been mirrored to the Layout Manage dialog for convenience.